Guys, so I am headed to work right now, but I wanted to pop in and chat with you guys really quick. Yeah, so today I had a doctor visit. I had an appointment. I had to do my glucose test today, which wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be because I know I had to drink some stuff, but it actually wasn't too bad. But yeah, so I had to do that. I haven't gotten the results from that yet. I'm thinking I'll probably get that the next time I go back to the doctor in about 4 weeks. They just measured my belly, and she did the heartbeat. We didn't do an ultrasound. She did she did some other thing or whatever, and I just got to hear the heartbeat again, but I recorded it so my so I can send it to my dad and stuff, my dad and my mom. So I'll probably insert that here so you guys can hear that.
Sorry, batteries.
It's okay.
Got 156 today.
Yeah, so that was about it for that. The main point of that visit was for the glucose test. Tomorrow I have another visit, but it's with a specialist because he has heart defects that run in his family, and we weren't able to get all the pictures of her heart the last time we did the ultrasound just because how she was positioned. So we're going to be doing that tomorrow with the specialist just to make sure everything is good, which I'm pretty sure that it is. I'm not worried about it because she has a really strong heartbeat. So yeah, it's just a precaution. We just want to make sure that everything is on the up and up, so if there's any issues we can be prepared for it. But yeah, so that's what I have in the morning at 9 a.m. and yeah, so that's pretty much what's going on today thus far. Good morning, guys. So I am headed to appointment number 2 today. I had, like I mentioned yesterday, I have to go to a specialist just to make sure. Sorry, this eyelash is like sticking. I think I put too much glue right there. I don't know. Okay, let's see. So it might stick a little bit, so just bear with me, okay? I don't know why it keeps doing that. That's so annoying. So she has to go to see a heart specialist just to make sure everything is okay. Like I said before, I'm not concerned because she has a really strong heartbeat, but we just want to make sure there's not anything that we need to be concerned about, that we need to take care of. If there's something, we can go ahead and take care of it right away. But yeah, like I was saying, her dad on his side, they have some heart defects and stuff, and we just want to take the precaution, make sure everything is good to go. So that's where I'm headed now, and after that I have to go to work because I actually supposed to be working at 8, but I didn't realize I had this appointment until like yesterday when I was at my other appointment. Excuse me. So yeah, this was definitely kind of a last minute thing, but you know, it's all good. So much paperwork to fill out, guys. It's crazy. I think I'm gonna be here literally all day. Hey guys, so I just finished with my doctor's appointment. Lasted a lot longer than I thought it was going to, but I got a lot of pictures of her heart. They said everything looks good. They want me to come back because my placenta is close to my cervix, so they want to see how everything is looking in about 4 weeks. So I'll be going back there, and as well as doing my regular checkup that I normally do, because I already have an appointment scheduled for just like my regular one, pretty much that same week. So yeah, so I'll be getting all of that done. Now I'm just headed to work. Yeah, so I have to make those hours up, so I'm probably gonna have to stay a little later today and later tomorrow. This is what it's looking like. But yeah, just wanted to update you guys on that. She was moving a lot. She kept putting her hands on her face and was not trying to cooperate at all. It took like a while to finally get the pictures that they need it or whatever. But hey y'all, so I just got off work. Ended up just getting off at my regular scheduled time because I need to work my other job today, because I didn't go like at all like at the beginning of this month or for this pay period. So I need to go ahead and get that in really quick. But yeah, so funny story really quick. So I was at work, had this guy, he asked me, he was like, oh, you know, how far along are you? And I tell him, I'm like, oh, I'm about, you know, 5 months, like little 5 months. He was like, really? He was like, oh, so you having your baby in September? I was like, no, July 28th. And he was like, he said, oh, you should be further along than that. I said, well, I'm 24 weeks. He's like, oh, okay. So basically, I don't know how far along I am when it comes to months, because I am so confused, because like I have the what to expect when expecting app, but like I don't know, it don't seem to add up. Like when I was looking online, it was saying like 24 weeks, I should be like 6 months, but I just feel like I shouldn't be that far along, because I mean, I'm not trying to get too much detail, but I know like she was conceived like towards the end of the month. So I'm thinking, like, I'm guessing that's how you calculate, but hell, I really don't know. So I'm like, I'm out here, no, I don't really know how far along I am. Not technically, not in months. Like I'm just gonna keep telling people the weeks and just leave it like that, because I don't really know. Not for real. I know that's awful, but I don't know, it's confusing. All right, y'all, I'm off to job number 2. All right, let's go. I'll take this one. Shouldn't take my wallet. Shoot, be tempted to buy something. Put that up there. Got my wallet, my keys. All right, let's go. Hey guys, so I just finished a haul video for my baby girl, and I'm about to edit that and hopefully have that up tomorrow. And I need to get myself together for work tomorrow, because it's going to be a long day, because we have a corporate visit on Friday, and I'm technically off, but I'm going to be going in for just like 2 hours. But yeah, so we're trying to prepare for that. So I gotta get my life together, and I gotta catch up on my shows that I missed yesterday because I had to close. So it's a lot. But yeah, but first things first, I'm gonna eat.